Viewbite.
Imagine a home lighter than surrounding trees yet tougher than Arctic storms, a structure so precisely engineered, its entire frame weighs less than a single mature oak. These cabins defy expectations, blending into wilderness as naturally as lichen on stone. Architects now design shelters that don't dominate landscapes, they converse with them through whispers of geometry and physics. Materials hold the first secret. Century-old barn wood becomes floors, cracks glowing with resin like fossilized honey. Walls fuse recycled plastics and volcanic stone, feather-light but stormproof. A single panel could withstand hail the size of golf balls without denting. Sustainability isn't an afterthought, it's the blueprint. Roofs angle precisely at 42 degrees, not for style but survival. That slope sheds 10-ton snow sheets like water off a duck's back. Decks jut from cliffs on hidden steel bones, their cantilevers tested against gales that snap pine trunks. Engineers model these extensions using avalanche impact data and eagle flight patterns. Windows are mathematical equations made visible. Placed using sun tracking software, they trap winter light but block summer glare. Morning rays hit bedside panels, warming recycled copper tiles that store heat for moonlit nights. Some even rotate microscopically daily, tracking the sun's shifting path across seasons. Every inch multitasks. Stairs become drawers lined with felt for silent operation. Beds flip into ceilings via counterweight systems smoother than elevator doors. Ventilation hides in walls, channeling stove heat upward to melt rooftop snow, then exhaling as mist through hidden vents. Warm air follows paths designed using termite mound airflow studies. Time becomes a co-designer. Cedar shingles silver to match birch bark within 3 years. Iron handles rust into harmony with autumn leaves, stabilized by intentional patinas. Collapsed stone walls, fox dens now. Lichen slowly paints roofs in living camouflage, a process architects accelerate using probiotic sprays containing local spores. Seasons test every detail. Spring rains funnel through gutter sculptures mimicking maple leaves, dripping nature's own melody onto strategically placed river stones. Winter reveals aerogel insulation so effective interior candle heat stays trapped like sunlight in a greenhouse. Frost patterns bloom only on exterior glass, leaving views crystal clear. Absence defines these cabins. No power lines, just solar films thinner than tissue paper, printing energy from both sun and moonlight. No waste, compost systems feed apple trees whose roots stabilize hillsides against erosion. Water filters through moss-filled walls, emerging cleaner than mountain streams. The land barely notices we're here. Decades later, the final magic unfolds. Pine seedlings crack through decking gaps left intentionally wide. Bare claws etch patterns matching original wood grain. Wall composites crumble into soil additives, while reclaimed timber returns to earth as rich mulch. What began as shelter becomes forest again, floorplans outlined by mushroom circles, roof angles echoed in leaning saplings. This isn't just architecture. It's a pact with nature, a promise that human creativity can enhance rather than diminish wild places. These cabins don't just occupy nature, they dissolve into it, proving that the most radical design choice is sometimes to disappear completely.
Viewbite. Quick clips, big ideas. Subscribe and spark your next thought.